Hello, my name is Johanna Mosca, and I am the author of a new book called Sedona Soul Stretch, 10 Ancient Yoga Principles to Heighten Consciousness and Performance. It's not just a book for yoga people, it's a book for everybody. To look at how we're living our lives, to reflect and to become more aware of principles that can make us be our best. I want to share with you why you would want to get this book and let you know what kind of features it has. First, there's a description of each yoga principles that's ancient from Patanjali 2,000 years before Christ. I describe the principle, then I include a number of nuances of the principle and descriptions of events in Sedona at which I've used these principles to heighten my consciousness and help other people heighten their consciousness. And in addition, I talk about the benefits of following the principles, the lapses of what happens when you don't follow them. Then I talk about making a commitment to a few steps in your life. I invite you to do journal writing to reflect on which ways you're already following them and how you could follow them more fully. And I give you affirmations to claim this in your life for yourself. And finally, a little drop-in meditation. So the book is actually a workshop which you can share with people in your yoga class, people in your family, people in your office to heighten your own consciousness and how you perform in life. And I invite you to look up my book on Amazon.com, where we have it as an ebook, a paperback, and a delightful audible book. And may your life always be blessed with the most love, light, and peace that one can have. Namaste.